My name is Dr. Baba Miyaki Musa. I'm a senior lecturer with Bayero University and an honorary consultant with Amini Kano Teaching Hospital, Nigeria. The title of our paper is Higher Prevalence of Wheezing and Lower FEV1 and FVC percent predicted in adults with sickle cell anemia, a cross-sectional study. Sickle cell disease is one of the most common genetic diseases in the world, and pulmonary complications are a leading cause of morbidity and mortality in sickle cell disease. Studies suggest that in adults with sickle cell disease, the presence of sickle cell anemia alone, in the absence of a physician diagnosis of asthma, can result in wheezing, acute chest syndrome, and death. Despite the clear evidence that lung disease is an important contributor to morbidity and mortality in sickle cell disease, few studies have compared the symptom of obstructive lung disease and spirometry results in adults with and without sickle cell disease. To determine the prevalence of asthma symptoms and obstructive lung disease in sickle cell anemia, we performed a cross-sectional study in adults with and without sickle cell disease. Our hypothesis was that patients with sickle cell anemia would have more symptoms associated with obstructive lung disease and have lower forced expiratory volume in 1 second percent predicted, forced vital capacity percent predicted, and the ratio of FEV1 to FVC less than the lower limits of normal compared with controls without sickle cell anemia from the same region. We employed a cross-sectional study design where we assessed participants at Amini Kano Teaching Hospital over a 19-month period. This consists of 150 consecutive adults with sickle cell anemia as cases and 287 consecutive consenting adults without sickle cell as controls. We used a structured questionnaire from the American Thoracic Society Division of Lung Diseases. We determined markers of abnormal pulmonary functions such as FEV1% predicted, FVC predicted, and their ratios. We found wheezing symptoms and low FEV1% predicted and FVC percent predicted were more common in patients with sickle cell anemia than in the controls. We further found decreased FEV1% predicted was associated with a diagnosis of sickle cell anemia and history of any wheezing. Similarly, low FVC percent predicted as a continuous covariate was associated with both sickle cell anemia and history of any wheezing. No association was identified between the ratio of FEV1 and FVC percent predicted and sickle cell anemia. In summary, adults with sickle cell anemia experience higher rates of wheezing and impaired FEV1% predicted and FVC predicted compared with contemporary controls identified from the same region. Thank you for listening. To read the whole article, click on the link below.